Guys, have you seen those videos some American were complaining about McDonald's Africa? Okay, if I say better way, just watch this video. I know gore my American they are confusing the whole thing and they don't understand what's going on. And then they think gore they don't know the difference between parody and humorous account. Those use like the memes too. And then why use the N-word in the advert, ne? Yes, guys, my fellow Americans, these accounts they are not official accounts because our South African account, yeah, this all McDonald thing, the original account is this one. So this account is our official McDonald account. So you don't have to fall for any account those upload videos with the N-word inside. Wabo? So my fellow South Africans, can we please try to convince them that our MACD is not promoting such content. Our adverts or commercial videos are not related to whatever they see. Because my sister from South Africa said this.
Like, come on, please apply your minds. Do you honestly think that with the BCCSA that we have here, the Broadcasting Complaints Commission of South Africa that we have here, we would air such an offensive video on our national television? Do you think that there's any ad agency or marketing agency that would approve of such a video and have it uploaded onto their verified page? You guys didn't even go and check, is this really from McDonald's South Africa or not? You're just running with it. The BS sensationalism and propaganda against South Africa needs to end. Come on, that doesn't even sound like our accent.
So in Ombojang, guys, whoever would run these kind of videos, what is this person trying to do? Or maybe and what I know, Gore, the person who's doing these videos, ne? He or she is not South African. Someone from Africa is trying to make a conflict between South Africa and United States. That's what I'm thinking. Okay, there is someone trying to destroy our reputation as South Africa so that we can be hated by Americans. And that I hate that. I hate whatever this person are trying to do. And these are multiple accounts. One is this and 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 this. Cause this person is using AI to make their commercial what sounds, and then using the N-word so that American could American could feel like offended somehow. I can say what they are trying to do whatever, but guys, my fellow Americans, don't believe whatever you see on social media. So if you got about social media, if you wanna know about what's going on about our social media, the MACD account, go to the official one. Scroll through the videos. See if we upload such content. And that's why you'll know very well or nah, man. Those other accounts, they are not from South Africa.